Para akong kinakabahan talaga ako.
You know how many you have in the house?
You said you don't have them.
That's not very nice to say.
Hey guys, good morning. Mahirap magkalisod. Mahirap. Hindi pa nga. 7 something and I need to leave here. 7:07 and I need to leave here. This is light. This is not light. I don't know what is that mean. I don't know what is that mean. Maglagay ako ng light medium na Wet n Wild na paborito ko. And anyway, so I woke up like, yun ang oras ba yun nag-woke up ako? 3 o'clock ako. I woke up at 3 o'clock. So pagtingin ko sa labas guys, alam nyo ba guys, sobrang foggy. That early ha. And it's already 51 degree outside this morning. So hindi talaga siya maginaw guys. As in guys, yung hangin parang mainit-init. So, yung fog niya, yung, anong tawag yun sa Bisaya, yung foggy? Yamog ba? Yamog. Yung tiyan ko ay naggumugulo-gulo. Where are you? Okay, hold on. Ilagay ko muna tong laptop ko is always, look, tignan nyo tong dalawa. Akala nila dalhin ko sila. Okay, let's go. Come, let's go. Tignan nyo. Kung hindi ko yan pinalabas, magpupo yan sa loob. Tignan nyo. Halaka, oy, halaka, oy, halaka, oy. Tignan, oh, I need gas. Alang, asa man ang ano ko, oy. Nawala, guys. Baala na si Batman ito. Hi, guys. Sabi pa ni Tami, kunin mo yung ano. So, meal daw, kunin daw. Hala, I still have to go downstairs. Kailangan ko pang pumunta sa labas, guys. Sa, ano, sa basement. Hanapin ko lang yung hinahanap ng asawa ko. Wala yung ano dun. Yung hinahanap ng asawa ko, wala. It's so foggy, guys. And
I know what way it on your mind.
But you can be so outside and beside you. You'll only cry.
namin. So, ganito ako, guys. Meal time! Meal time! Balik ako, ha? Balikan ko ka, Jill. Hala. Ice, guys. As in. Hala, ang basa-basa ko, guys. Ganyan tayo. Open up tayo. Hala, guys. Icy, guys. Oh my God, natatakot talaga ako nito, guys. Sabayan nyo na lang ako, guys. Samahan nyo ako. And, yeah. Takot ako. Kita-kits na lang tayo later, guys, ha. Kasi para akong kinakabahan talaga ako. Dahil sobrang foggy, sobrang windy, at saka sobrang ulan. And mag-concentrate muna ako gani. Mag-concentrate muna ako sa pagdadrive kasi naano ko yung kanina yung wheels. Ayos yun, guys. Ayos yun. So nag-skidding ako, nag-skid. Skid yung sasakyan. Hi, guys. Grabe, guys. Yung hangin, parang dusbog ako ng hangin, guys. Dusbog ba? Yung hangin papunta sa akin forward. And ang nangyari, yung car ko is parang ganun. Plus, yung rain pa, yung ulan. At yung fog. Kasi yung init at saka ginaw nagtagpo. So kaya yung fog niya sobra. Kailangan kong magmaniho dahan-dahan. Anyway, it's not really bad traffic though. Usually dito sa lugar na to, traffic pero hindi masyado. So which is good. And yeah. Patayin ko lang yung
It's who I wanted to be. And now that we're together, I'm stronger than ever. I'm happy and free.
Hi guys, andito na ako guys. Oh my god, this house need cleaning. I need to vacuum here guys. Kailangan nang i-vacuum dito kasi ay nako. Wala si Tami kasi andun siya sa grocery kasi sabi niya grocery siya para tawag nito, sandwich niya. So, ito yung boots ko na hinahanap ko pang snow talaga. Waterproof. Oh my god, hindi ko na talaga alam. But anyway, linisin ko muna. Itong lamisa dito sa kusina, nililis itong ng kapatid ng asawa ko, 'di ba? Ang nangyari, napundok-pundok na naman yung mga papel. Tapos na ako kung kaano man ang kailangan ko dito na linisin. So now, it's time to go to the bathroom. Sa taas. Sa CR na naman tayo. I'll be right back guys. Tapusin ko lang ito para pagdating ni Tami tapos na. Andito na yung asawa kong gahigolo. My husband that is a hardhead is here. You know what your sister said? Your stubborn husband. Oh, this is for me too?
What?
The soap.
Yes.
Never put the Dipsy book in the meat.
And this.
You know how many you have in the. You know how many you have in the.
You said you don't have them. I thought you said you like these, but you didn't have.
We have.
The corn one?
We have corn that you never use, and you bought another one that you never use. Like,
Oh, then leave it here. Okay.
like you look here, like you're gonna eat it. You have one over there that is stuck forever over there. So which is stick? Is this go to the other house or the other one? Huh?
Yeah.
Or just leave it here?
Here,
I still have a steak over there.
You eat nothing every night. Oh, I don't have none. Then you eat nothing. You got none.
Okay, put this in the refrigerator then that I can leave. Beans, hot no beans?
I like those.
What is that?
They're really tasty.
Okay, fine. What is the one that you buy over there in the house and you never use it, Tommy?
Because I need to have them on there. You took them here.
Seriously, you took.
Well, I took them in.
Don't blame me. Don't. You
But
did
they're
it.
here.
You
They're
put it.
over there. It doesn't do me no good. Alright, I gotta make a sandwich.
You bought a lot of stuff again.
I just went upstairs and cleaned up the bathroom over there. Masakit yung ano ko dito, guys, ukoto-koto. Dahil ano, hindi ko alam. Masakit siya. Masakit.
It's driving here really bad.
Well, no, it's that brand, but yeah, I get it at Costco when I can. But I haven't been to Costco, so I forget what's something like that. 4 cans for $8.
Okay, do you know what is this? I know it's a zucchini, and the yellow one is carrots and something.
No, well, the yellow one's a mixed medley,
What is medley?
like different vegetables.
The yellow one?
They had a yellow zucchini, but I think that's kind of pointless when you get a green and a yellow one.
Maybe this one have a zucchini
You can
yellow.
cook it in a pan like that too, just like you cook regular zucchini and stuff. You can cook them in a pan and just toss it. Like it makes like a nice spaghetti, so you serve it like spaghetti.
Okay. There's nothing inside here.
Like,
It's a nice shrimp. Big. It's big.
well, we gone. I told you, big. You said the same.
Yeah, it's the same size. There is bigger in this. The Costco one is
There is bigger ones.
Ito na. What is that? The one I put the camera on. Is that medicine?
That's the heart pills, the gummies for the heart.
I'm here to the other house, turkey for the kids. Downstairs?
Yeah, there's a Ziploc bag with like 5 packages of turkey in it.
I see that.
They're small packages. They're not like 5 pounds. They're just small because they were pre-packed crap.
Yeah, and then I'm eating the turkey, guys.
And anything else you want to take with you, just take it. I wanted to make those sausages.
You have to do like this, and
Yeah, I'm not gonna do the sausage because I don't have time. So I should be already gone. It's after 12 already.
no, it's not advance. 1 minute. Yes, Alexa, you are stupid.
That's not very nice to say.
Alexa, is it going to rain later?
Rain is likely today. There's an 80% chance. You can expect about 0.36 inches.
Alexa, anong meron diyan?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Bahala ka, Alexa, oy.
You gotta say Alexa first.
I can. She's listening to you. She's listening to you. Alexa, alam mo ba kung sino yung asawa ko?
That's really sweet.
Alexa, do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, who is your boss?
You are.
Alexa, thank you.
Sure.
Anyway, guys, the Alexa is for my mother-in-law. My sister-in-law gave it to her. And did she use it? My baba is 11, guys.
Get your salt too, Mom.
Where is it? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
So, binilhan niya ako ng vegetables, salt, at saka ito, I don't have Ziploc bag. Ano pa ba yung binili niya? Oh, yeah. So, yun. Ito yung niluto ko pala, guys. Cajun shrimp. Yun, iyan. And, ang nangyari, wala siyang, because hindi siya spicy kasi hindi ko nilagyan ng sili. Walang sili dito. Gusto pa naman ni Tami na a little bit spicy. Then, container ito sa bahay namin. Dalhin ko ulit siya doon. Anyway, guys, paalis na yun din ang asawa ko, guys, kasi late na siya. Hindi naman siya late kaso pag ulan, traffic. At always traffic naman dito sa city. I'm telling you that I told mom I'm gonna go home, mom, and then I let the dog out, and then let's see what's gonna happen. I will drop you off to Andrea maybe later.
Oh, you went home. Oh, you went home first.
No, I did. Mali isa kaligayahan.
Rockabye, rockabye, rockabye.
Siya.